Akala ng ibang lalaki, yung pagpapakita nila ng pagmamahal sa asawa nila, sa pamilya nila, parang it's an unmanly thing to do. Samantalang, nung naliligaw ka pa lang, yung nagdi-date pa lang kayo, you were romantic and thoughtful. But now that you are married or nagsasama na kayo, you wrongly think that showing love is beneath you. Nahihiya ka na makita ng tropa mo, or iniisip mo na corny. You know what, if you truly love your wife or your girlfriend, tell her. Sabihin mo sa kanya. Pwede ba pakitaga sa bato? Real men show their love. Ulitin ko, tell her. She needs to hear it. Warm her heart. Ipadama mo yung kakaibang romansa mo sa kanya. Date your wife. Date mo pa rin siya. Porque asawa mo na siya, it doesn't mean she doesn't need to feel loved. Ulitin ko, real men show their love. Ipakita nyo, maging proud ka na mahal mo sila. Maging proud ka na mahal mo siya.